Okay, how to check the lifters on the motor BA 5.4. This one is a bad lifter. You hear how they make a noise. Something inside is bad, maybe the spring, the little check ball, or something else inside. It's supposed to go in and out with no noise. Okay, bit different. And right here, if you see like these lifters, they have a lot of contamination. If you see your lifter is like this, don't use it. You need to replace it. It's why always you need to make your oil change every 3,000 miles if you don't want have this kind of problem. Because right here you can see it's a lot of contamination. Inside is going to be the same. And right here, when you want to clean the lifters, use gasoline. This is how you clean the lifters. And after this, you need to have a new oil. You put it inside this lifter and also push it, and it's going to be hard when it's full of oil. You know it's ready to use. Let me grab one of these to show you. Like this one, it's hard to push it down, and you can see right there the new oil is ready. This lifter is ready to use. Thank you for watching, and bye.